Okay, today is May 11, 2014. Happy Mother's Day. The work of a superstar in the process.
Duyên là mày thấy là lợi sự cái tóc đúng không?
No, just leave it now.
1, 2, 3.
Để thầy Diêu dưới này chụp lên được không?
Dạ được, con được, con chút xíu.
Đó hả? Yeah.
Cái này cái này.
It's supposed to look like a poster sign.
Hello. And I'm right here. Hello. Woohoo. We're at the Huntington Beach library. Today's Mother's Day, May 11. We figured that we do something great for my mom, Ryan Hansen's mother, and of course my sister and my friend. And my dad.
Close up là gì?
Close up rồi, yeah.
Close up là cái mặt để cho nó it's more like a poster sign á.
Đúng rồi, đúng rồi. Đó. 1, 2, 3.
Gom ngó lên chồng.
Close up là có nhảy rồi.
Yeah. No, just the face only.
Face only.
Yes, it's like this, up to here.
Okay.
It's off with the face. It's more like a supermodel poster size á. Cái đó là sao? Hiểu không? The whole face, it has to be more up.
No, I need.
Oh yeah. No. Like some pictures, she needs to have close up.
No, light has to be right here.
Oh.